everyone, welcome back. What's going on? Today, let's learn the usage of am, is and are. By the way, am, is and are, they are the simple present forms of the verb to be. These things, that is am, is and are, they are used to describe the state, feeling or condition in which someone or something is. In short, we can say that am, is and are, they are used to connect this subject to what is being said about the subject. Okay, now let's look at the sentence structure. Subject plus am plus the rest part of the sentence. So, before we begin, let's see with what is am used. Okay? Am, it is used with the first person singular pronoun. Okay, which is the first person singular pronoun? Yes, you are right. It's I. The first person singular pronoun is I. So now let's put this I in our example. As I said, first you have to write I. Remember, this is in case of affirmative sentences. Okay. So our subject is I. Then comes am. I am, then the rest part of the sentence. Let's write happy. I am happy. As I told you now, it connects the subject to what is being said about the subject. This I is our subject, right? Then am, then happy. So this am connects this I to what is being said about the subject. What is said? It is said that I am happy. I am happy. So that is the present status. Okay. Remember, this is in case of affirmative sentences. Now, let's come to negative sentences. That is where not is used. Here again, it's subject plus am, not plus the rest part of the sentence. Let's put I here. Our subject is I. Then, as it is negative sentence, we have to put am not. I am not, then anything we can put. Let's say happy. I am not happy. So what happens here? It tells about the present status of the subject. And here in our example, the subject is I. Now let's come to interrogative sentence, that is question. This is the format. First you have to write am, then I, then the rest part of the sentence. Let's just understand this with the help of an example. Am, then I, then working, am I working hard, and then put the question mark. So this is the format of interrogative sentence. Now let's learn about is. Is used with singular subject. The format is subject plus is plus rest part of the sentence. Let's look at an example. The bird. The bird is singular. So we have to use is here. The bird is flying in the sky. Okay. Now let's look at another example. This girl, it's singular. So we can put it here. This girl is my friend. Okay. By the way, is can also be used in these situations too. That is either or and neither nor. Whenever you use either or at the same time neither nor, you have to use is. Now, let's take a look at an example. either car is a good choice. That means either this car or that car. Here we are mentioning or talking about one thing. That's the reason why we are putting is here. Is that clear? Now let's look at the next example. Neither Lucy nor her mom is present. Here also, neither Lucy, that means Lucy was not present, nor her mom was also not present. That means no one was present. In such case also we have to put is here. So is this clear? Whenever we use either or, use is, and whenever we use neither nor, use is. And the second one is non-countable nouns. That means whenever we talk about non-countable nouns, that means the nouns which we cannot count, then we have to use is. Now look at our example. Juice is kept in the bottle. Can we count juice? No, we cannot, right? But if we take the juice and pour it in a bottle, then we can take the measurement of the bottle. How much quantity it has, like half liter, 1 liter and so on. But here we are not measuring in that way. In our example, we just said the juice is kept in the bottle. In one bottle it's kept. Okay, so we use is here. Is that clear? Now let's come to the third format. Collective nouns. Collective nouns, for example, team, family, all these things come under collective nouns. Though there are many members in a team, or there may be more than 1 or 2 or 3 people in a family, when they are taken collectively, we always use the auxiliary verb as is. Though many members are there, as it is used in a collective format, in a collective form, we always use is. Look at our example. Our family is doing well. Now in this family, though there may be many people, we are using is here. Okay. Are is always used with plural subject. Plural means more than one. This is a format. Subject plus are plus rest part of the sentence. We can take any. For example, some children are drinking milk. Okay, or if you don't want children to be there, we can say it this way. Some are drinking milk. Whatever it is, if these things are there, then we have to use are. Okay. Now, are is also used with compound subjects. Now, look at this example. Jack and Jill are at home. Which is a compound subject? Yes, Jack and Jill. This is a compound subject. And as we have got compound subject, as per the rule, we have to use are. And that's the reason why we have used are here. Okay, now the third one, a number or pair. Pair means two, right? So when two things are there, then what we need to understand is that we have to say whether they come in a pair or not. Now look at our example. A pair of birds are on the tree. Here it's a pair, right? A pair of birds. That's the reason why we are using are. So, a pair of birds are on the tree. I hope now you understand the usage, right? Okay. If you really feel that this session was useful to you, you may like, subscribe and support me. Thank you.